In this video, we'll go through the setup steps of the app so you can start tracking your marketing expenses with Maya. Before we begin, make sure you have a Power BI Pro license. We'll start with installing the app on your tenant. Get the app from the marketplace, press the Install button, and wait a few seconds to complete installing. Now press the Go to App button, which will lead you to the actual app. As you can see, there are two sections in the report, the Documentation and the Report section. Let's start with the Setup tab in the Documentation section, where we can find detailed steps for setting up the app. To initiate the setup, we'll start by visiting the Maya Insights platform to sign up. As soon as you are registered, click on Setup and then Sources. Here you can see all the available integrations, as well as the option to add manual uploads for data from sources that we don't currently support. Additionally, on the Manual Expenses tab, you can add any offline expenses you may want to include in your reporting, such as outdoor marketing costs, TVC, etc. Here you can define your campaigns and conversion clusters, while in this tab you can check out the data load process and be aware of when our data is ready to be used in the report. Last but not least, a very significant step is to connect your Maya account with the Maya Marketing Performance app. To do this, you need to click on the Administration tab, then Developers, and lastly copy the API key. In this case, this is a demo key. Now we go back to the Power BI app, click on Connect Your Data, paste in the account key field, and then hit Sign In and Connect. Once the refresh has concluded, you will see your data populated inside the Report tabs, and you are ready to begin your analysis. Be sure to take your time and go through all the steps carefully. In the following video, we will wrap up the documentation section. Until then, I'll be here with the other bots taking over the world one video at a time. Bye-bye.